Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a treat, a beautiful 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible. 350 under the hood, beautiful red metallic paint job, black top, black interior with some red accent points. And this is such a beautiful car, awesome driver. 3-speed manual, tight clutch, shifts well. I mean, just a treat. Oh man, look at that with the wood finish there. Back seats, convertible top. Absolute beautiful car. Go ahead, pop open the trunk here real quick. Nicely carpeted, got a spare in there with jack parts. Beautiful, I mean, this car is just something else. Jump up here into the front. Let's check out the cluster, driver door. Oh. A little bit of a slant here. Just beautiful. All right, gonna go ahead, pop open the hood, take it for a spin, put it on the hood. Got the Firebird here, gonna take it for a quick spin down the street. Absolutely beautiful car. Love the way this handles and drives. 3-speed. All the gauges do work. Gotta run, put some gas in her. Takes that bump real nice. Very smooth in the second. RPMs look good. Got these new gauges down there, all lighting up. Radio was working the other day. Let's see.
With a sizzling sausage McMuffin with egg. Crispy bacon.